Hello my lovelies, how's everybody doing today? Right, this is an Irish 1964 shilling. So if there's any of my Irish friends out there watching this, I could do some more Irish coins. They're quite difficult to find. So right, that's the right one of them, that's the right one of them. If you'd like to send me, or I could buy them off you, some Irish coins, give us a shout in the comments. Right, bit of lube on this. I go over to the ever gorgeous, loving lady in blue. She's a bit damp again today. Big Bertha. It's a 20-ton hydraulic press that leaks like a sieve, but she still keeps working. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. If you just found this channel by mistake and you like what you see, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, you can hit that little red button bottom right hand side of the video. You're automatically subscribed. And if you hit the bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every day. I try. My girlfriend says I'm very trying. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. Use this just to make sure there's no scratches or cracks forming. Otherwise you're going to split your ring when you start stretching it. Right. Let's show a bit of love with Bernie. This just softens up the metal so I can work it a bit easier. The Emerald Isle. Right, what side we're going to go for? It's going to have to be this side, isn't it? This is going to be sunny side up on the ring. So this goes face down on my 17-degree folding die. Beautiful day here today. Sun's out, warm, plus 17 today. Right, I think that's pretty good. Let's go over to Big Red. Okie dokie. There's Sandy, there she is. You just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's good. No cracks forming or splits. No chasms. No Grand Canyons. No cheddar gorges. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right. Let's get a bit of clean kitchen roll. We'll go over to Spike. There he is. This is a ring stretcher. And it does what it says on the box. It stretches your ring. You get a bit of a turn each time. I do custom work if you're looking for a custom ring or bracelet or cufflinks, earrings. You can check out my shop. It's in the description below. It's yourfingermyring.com. Or you go to the description below and check it out. Hit that, it'll take you right there. Right, it needs a bit more love. This isn't going to be a huge big ring. But I can make them any size within reason. Like I said, if there's any Irish people watching this and you've got some Irish coins, I could do with them. They're quite difficult to find. You can get them on eBay and Etsy, but bloody hell, they want stupid money for them. Or what you could do, you could send me a few coins and I'll make you a ring as a thank you, free of charge. Right, let's give it a bit more love. And you just want that, no gap. That is good, yeah. Right. Now we'll, there's a little bit of a lip on the inside. Not much, but you want to get rid of that lip. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. Yep, that's good. So we can go down to the bottom end of spike now. These are reduction dice. And you just want to get that cone shape out of it. Nothing there. There's a bit there. Not a lot, but there's something. The thing with this game is, if it fits, it works, you know. You can't really go far wrong. I mean, you can when you first start doing this game, but it's not rocket science. Bit more. I think that was all used. I'll try a bit more. Them walls look pretty darn straight to me. There's no lip. Right, now we go across to see how the lady is doing. There she is, Kate Bush. She's looking quite sexy, yeah. I wouldn't say no. Right. Ouch. Getting a bit warm. Jesus, wet. How's it looking? Did I clean it up enough inside? Yeah, I mean, that's why I use the kitchen roll. I mean, this is what I call the Edwin look. It's like a satin finish, brushed satin. But I'll polish this one. If you prefer the Edwin look, I'll just run over it again with Kate. This is Felt and John. It's just a felt pad. And we have some polish here somewhere. Here it is. This polish is great. I'm glad I ran out of my other polish. The other stuff was bloody expensive. I mean, it was okay. I thought it was really good till I found this stuff. I used to use this on my motorbikes, but motorbiking. Yeah, it's come up quite nice, and it's getting rather warm to hold. Too hot to handle, a bit like my girlfriend. I'd like to do this by hand, but my left wrist is pretty well screwed up. Back in the day, motorcycles and alcohol don't work well, as I found out many moons ago. Right, how's it looking? You got any things you'd like to know, or questions, or any ideas, or something you'd like me to make? Drop them in the comments. If I can do it, I'll give it a go. If I can't do it, I won't do it. Ha ha. Oh yeah, it's come out rather sexy. This will be in my shop in a few days' time. And if you'd like this very ring, I don't have many Irish rings, I can adjust the size for you. Right, what we got? Isn't that nice? What size we got? What size we got? This is a size by the Yankee Doodle magic wand. This is a size 9¼ I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Well, there you go, folks. 1 Irish 1 shilling coin ring. And that's why you use the kitchen roll. You still got the detail on the inside. Fits that finger absolutely perfectly. Thank you all so much for watching. Thanks for my regulars for watching and commenting. Your star players, love you all. And catch you tomorrow. If you're all still here. Tell me bye-bye.